The fringing is cut and it looks scrumptious. Okay, let's bring in the jeans. I'm going to place the side seam of the other jean onto the side seam of these jeans. So that's where my pin comes to. I would have preferred it to go all the way down, but it is a pair of cut-offs. So I'm working with what I have. So it's going to become part of this jean, which I'm so excited about. That really looks nice. So in order to keep this in place, I'm going to be using some Wonder Web, which is, all it is a glue. It's glue on both sides, and it's a bit like it's webbing kind of effect that it's got to it. So once you apply heat, it melts. So I'm going to fold that in half, place it on the spine of this seam here, this flat fell seam, and then I'm going to pin it into position and then press, and it's almost there. One more stage to go. Now for the news flash. Yes, you got it. Hand sewing. Yeah, the Wonder Web is only allowing it to stay in position. It's not strong enough to stay there by itself. Maybe there are other glues out there that could possibly do that. I don't have any. So as you know, I am a sucker for hand sewing.